Such a gorgeous rainbow in the evening light. What a magical fish. What a beautiful little rainbow trout. Oh my goodness, this is so awesome. Such a gorgeous little fish. This is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna tether this camera to some fishing line, attempt to throw it out there. This pool right here is 15, 20 feet deep, maybe deeper. I wanna find out if there's a fish in there. So this is one way to tell. Let's get the camera working in our favor. Let's go. Oh man, this is my hole too. It's the wrong time of year, but this fish, really nice, about 13, 14 inch rainbow, snagged the leech in small water here. Just a feisty, absolutely beautiful bow. Oh, this is so cool. I wasn't expecting this fish. Oh, adventure on.